Today we got a video from Watch Cop Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Thinks She Runs Traffic Stop."
On November 13, 2024, officers were on patrol when a speeding vehicle caught their attention. After pacing the car at 42 in a 30 zone, they initiated a routine traffic stop, only for the driver to immediately step out, claiming she was late for her daughter's doctor appointment. Despite being told she was detained, she refused to cooperate and escalated the situation even further when she grabbed her child and began ignoring every lawful command.
So you're going to do this in front of my daughter?
You're doing it in front of your daughter.
I'm not. I was going to come back out.
If you were sitting in your car like I told you to, this wouldn't be happening. And you still want to.
Are you still resisting?
No, I'm not resisting.
You're going to catch another charge. Keep resisting.
Absolutely ridiculous. Stop it.
I'm not doing anything. I'm not moving.
Well, everything else you're thinking about doing, you just need to comply.
Okay, I'm complying. I'm listening to everything you say. Can I get my phone? Mariah, can you get my phone?
Stop.
I'm going back to my car.
You're going to listen.
Let go of your keys now and listen.
You need to stop.
You let go of my hand.
No.
No.
Why? I'm not doing anything wrong.
You did. You did.
Listen.
I'm listening. I'm not moving.
Okay, then calm down.
Just
and
stop.
It's okay.
Are you gonna comply now?
Yep.
You take her to the front of my bumper, and we're gonna. Who's gonna come take your child? If you don't give us an answer, DCF will take your child.
No, they're not.
Okay, so
I'm gonna take her.
Your child. I was gonna take.
Ma'am, I was gonna take her to her appointment and come back out and talk to you.
Yeah.
But you put your hands on me.
Yep.
I've never been in any trouble.
I have told you numerous times to sit in that car. I told you you were detained.
You
know what
I'm not detained, and I wasn't speeding.
All right, we're not doing this. Front of the car. Let's go. And walk.
You need to think about who's going to come take your child, or DCF is going to come take your child.
Okay, I can make a call and have them to pick her up.
Come here, sweetheart. Come here.
What y'all doing is not
Just
right.
stand right here, okay?
Can I
Everything's okay.
Can you let
We're
go
going
of
to
me?
figure everything out, okay? Just stay right there.
Mariah, I'm
okay?
so sorry this is happening. These are too tight on my hands. Can y'all please give me my phone so I can call someone to pick her up?
Finger in each cuff. They're not too tight.
This my wrist. I've never been in trouble.
I just put my big finger in each cuff. They're not too tight.
Why? Can you let go of me? Mariah, can you
No,
get my keys?
I'm not letting go of you because you're resisting us.
I'm not resisting you.
You were.
Can you give me my keys?
She's grabbing.
Can she go in there? Call my mom
Let me get them.
or my husband. Call my
Can you
husband.
just stand right here, okay? Just stand right here. Okay, don't move.
Mariah, can you call Dad?
No, don't listen. Don't move. Okay?
Is it under dad?
Mommy's in trouble right now.
Under husband?
Okay? Just stay right there. I'll be okay, okay?
How far is he from here?
Just he's in.
Way to set a great example for your
I'm trying
child.
to get her to her appointment.
Was it with all this?
I wasn't speeding. I'm in handcuffs, and there's another cop coming. I got pushed down and everything like that. And then they're saying DCF's gonna come get Mariah.
Sir, this is Officer Robinson. Are you getting
Hey, sweetheart.
Hey,
This officer's gonna stand with you, okay? You can go walk over to him, all right?
I was just trying to take her to her appointment. She had to be there at 4 o'clock. I wasn't speeding. She just pulled me over. And I
got
said,
you,
can I
but
take her
I
to
pulled
her?
up right here, and she clearly told you
But
to
she put her
stop, and
hands
you
on
didn't
me.
stop. Well, she gave
Yeah,
you a
I
lawful
told her
order.
I was going to come back.
Okay. I'm not arguing with you.
I'm not arguing either. Can you just let go of me? I'm not going to resist. I've never been in any trouble. Let go of me.
You're already resisting.
I'm not resisting anybody. Can you
All right, well, don't
just
move.
let go of me? I'm not.
Don't
if
move.
you let go of me, I'm not going to do anything.
Don't move.
Just don't touch me. I told
Okay.
her not to put her hands on me.
Stay right here and don't move.
I've never been in this situation before where somebody has. I've never been in any trouble. Nobody has ever did this to me before. This is.
Yeah, because you probably listened, right? So when you come in contact with law enforcement and they're pulling you over on a traffic stop, you can't just do whatever the fuck you want to do. especially not in front of your child, because now your child is young, right? Impressionable, right? Kids remember a lot of things, especially big things that happen in their life, right? And this is the first time that your child is probably witnessing you getting arrested or coming in contact with police. Kids are going to remember that. So don't be surprised when that child grows up to have problems with authority. Why? Because she sees her mom having problems with authority. She don't listen. She thinks she could do whatever the fuck she want to do. And this is what this is her role model. You know, kids, their parents are their role models. You know what I mean? So,
This is
Stay
crazy.
here and don't move.
I'm not moving, but I've never been pulled over or anything. And my daughter shouldn't have seen this.
Okay.
No, she should
was
not have
trying to
seen
tell
this.
you not to do it.
Yeah, but I need to get her to her appointment. I've never been pushed down or anything. None of this has happened.
I mean,
I'm
you
not
need to
going
listen to
jail.
officers.
I'm not going to jail.
Okay.
Let go of me.
So you're sitting here saying you're not going
I'm
to jail.
not.
You're going to jail.
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Okay, well, she's gonna
You
call you
definitely
later, then I'm
will,
gonna
yeah.
move on to somebody who's in the state of Florida to come get your child.
Call. She could have. She could have done it
You want
differently.
to give me something in the state of
Yes,
Florida?
Dad, call my or he's probably giving my son a haircut. Call my mom. I don't want. I'm gonna stand still.
hold on. No way. She had her call somebody that's in another state. See, this chick here, man. She deserve it. Get her together.
Don't touch her.
Okay.
This
Don't
with
put
her,
your
because
hands
I'm gonna start this.
Call
with her.
mom. Just call my mom.
Just don't move.
I'm not moving.
Okay, calm down.
She keeps acting up. We can
I'm
call
not acting up.
her too.
I believe I have your daughter under arrest right now
For what? Can you get these handcuffs off of me?
for resisting and not listening to officers.
I'm not resisting. You could have handled this differently.
Anyways, she did it.
Y'all should have handled this
Stop
differently.
yelling. She did it in front of your daughter, or your granddaughter.
I've never been in handcuffs,
Your
never been
granddaughter
in
needs
trouble,
a ride
never been
home.
in jail, and I'm not going to jail today. Period.
Can I talk with her?
Can you just call my mom? She can come get her.
Your mom?
Yeah, my mom can come get her because he's taking my
Okay.
son to get a haircut. Because he's not able to get
One
her.
second, sir. We're calling the mom to come pick up the
Call
daughter.
grandma. Thank y'all. But to be pushing me down and doing all that, that's not right. And I wasn't even moving or anything. This is a nightmare. This has never happened to me. And I'm saved. I'm a first lady. I don't know what, y'all don't know who y'all messing with. But this is wrong.
Who?
Because I've never done this before.
Who?
Never got in any trouble.
Who?
I showed my ID. I said, ma'am, I'm just trying to get her to her appointment. Can I just take her and come back out and talk to you? I wasn't trying to be resistant and all this other stuff. I'm not going to jail. I've never been in jail, never been in any trouble. Check my background. Call
You
mom.
made the wrong decision today.
I don't want, this is not something I want my daughter to see.
Shouldn't have been acting like that. It would have been a simple ticket. Speeding is a ticket.
Y'all cricket. Why would y'all do that? Everybody see what y'all did.
I have your daughter's under arrest for resisting.
I was
Your
not
granddaughter's
resisting.
out here. We need someone to come pick up your granddaughter.
Oh my God.
We're at Palafox and Lee Street. Can you come get her? Otherwise, she's gonna go to DCF. And we don't want that.
I'm gonna get her like now.
Just drive on over here and we'll
This
talk.
has never happened
We'll let
to
you know
me.
what's going on, all right? We just need to get you to pick up your granddaughter for now.
We're leaders at our church, and I'm going through all of this. I've never been through this before. Y'all got integrity on there, professionalism, courtesy. I'm a person of integrity, good
Yeah.
check, everything.
All right, ma'am.
God
Go read
sees
you
everything.
something, okay?
He sees all of
You
this
might
that's
want to listen
going
to
on.
this.
I'm listening.
Do you wish to talk to us after you read your rights? No? Okay.
Okay.
Why would you take this off?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Resisting.
There's no, I don't think I should go to jail for this.
Ma'am,
It's not about what you
Listen,
think.
you have a right to remain silent. You want to invoke your right to be silent? Then be silent.
I wasn't resisting.
We
I
can
said
disagree
I
on that. I'm not going to talk to your charge about your charges if you want to remain silent. I to take this handcuff off and I'm going to remove this bag. You can make this another situation in front of your daughter, or you can comply.
I was complying the first time.
so
I
you
just don't want
understand.
nobody putting their hands on me.
Well, there's a time and place that we have to when you force that for us to do it. If you don't listen, you don't stop, that's what happens. So I'm going to handcuff this. I'm going to remove this bag.
I'm not going to resist. I'm not going to fight. I'm not doing any of it.
Well, I'm telling you,
I'm not
Just
what you
stay
think
still.
I am.
Is grandma going to be able to come like drive the car, or does it have to tow the car if we don't need to tow the car? If you don't want to cooperate, then the car gets towed as well.
If I don't want to
Cooperate.
I am cooperating.
Okay.
What do you need to know?
Is she going to be able to drive the car, or get somebody to come drive the car so we don't have to tow it?
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Speeding is a simple ticket. Okay, you're going 10 miles over the speed limit, whatever it is. Okay, you get a ticket, no problem. You go about your business. But ignoring the officers, getting right out on the traffic stop and pretending like they're not even there, and then you get mad when they when they give you some act right. What you expect? Listen, you out of date. You need an update. The software is out of date. You ain't listening. What do you expect? Feel bad for the child, man. And the mom shouldn't have put the child in that situation, because a simple ticket is way less traumatic than, you know, watching your mom getting tackled to the ground and her fighting with police. Like, come on. Like, this unbelievable, man. People these days is crazy. Anyway, I think the officers did a good job, man. I give them 5 out of 10, or not 5 out of 5 out of 10. It's a 5 out of 5 from me, man. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.